Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying Windows and your mic are ready. Open Settings, confirm your build, because noise features require recent updates. Plug the microphone into USB or the mic jack and make it the default device in sound input. This ensures apps route correctly. Update drivers in Device Manager. Drivers enable Windows to expose noise options. Once done, restart or sign out so Windows applies driver changes and you won't chase phantom settings later. You now enable Windows built-in suppression. In Control Panel, go to Sound, Recording, pick your mic, and open Properties. Look for Enhancements or a noise suppression option. Turn it on to let Windows filter hiss and room hum. If you can't find it, check Settings, Sound for microphone enhancements, or the app's input settings. Make sure apps are closed when toggling options so changes stick. This reduces constant background noise before using third-party tools. You finish by testing, and if needed, adding software-level suppression. Run a recording in Voice Recorder or your streaming app to confirm noise reduction. Adjust mic gain and suppression settings so voices stay natural. If Windows options are weak, install a reliable tool like a GPU or CPU-based noise filter. These process audio before apps receive it. If things break, roll back drivers, switch USB ports, or disable other enhancements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.